Leave my heart bleeding when my face fell away and my feeling missing.
Pacaro House. Oh, regards Pilipinas. Col, istorya. Pilipinas. Pang regards Pilipinas ba?
Hey, kumusta Philippines?
Mga Pacaro family.
Yeah, my family. Right there, the eighth one.
This is his trophy.
Oh, this is my trophy.
He won a lot
When I was young.
during his prime. Your
Now
prime.
I'm old.
No more prime.
No more.
No more prime time.
This is 2004.
Oh, okay.
Okay, Manay.
What year did you retire? What year did you?
Now I'm retired.
Okay, good.
I have my number 3.
Oh, okay,
Number
good.
23.